Hello everyone, my name is Purva Jizabra Pawar and I pursued MBA from SAS Institute of Management. Today we are going to know about decision making. What is a decision making? Every action of a manager is generally an outcome of a decision. Decision is a choice whereby a person comes to a conclusion about given circumstances or situation. It represents a course of behavior or action about what one is expected to do or not to do. Decision making may therefore the defined as a selection of a one course of action from two or more alternative courses of action. Thus, it is involves a choice making activity and the choice determines our action or inaction. Decision making is an indispensable part of life. Innumerable decisions are taken by human beings in a day to day life. In business undertakings, decisions are taken at every step. All managerial functions, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling, are carried through decision. Decision making is thus the core of managerial activities in an organization. Definition of decision making. Some of the important definitions of decision making are given as under. Decision making is the selection based on some criteria from two or more possible alternatives. This definition is defined by George R. Terry. A decision is an act of choice wherein an executive forms a conclusion about what must be done in a given situation. A decision represents a course of behavior chosen from a number of possible alternatives. DEMC Fernley. Following elements can be derived from the above mentioned definitions. First, decision making is a selection process and it is concerned with selecting the best type of alternative. Second, the decision is aimed at achieving the organizational goals. Third is, it is concerned with the detailed study of the available alternatives for finding the best possible alternatives. Fourth is, decision making is a mental process. It is the outline of a constant thoughtful consideration. Fifth is, it leads to commitment. The commitment depends upon the nature of the decision, whether short term or long term. Importance of decision making. First important is the selection of best alternative. Decision making has an important role in the selection of the best course of action timely. There are different solutions available to tackle any problem. Selection of a best action involves proper analysis of the situation by decision maker using various accounting, financial and statistical tools. Proper decision making enables the decision maker to properly analyze all aspects and choose the most appropriate action. Second, ensures continuity of business. Every business is required to take different decisions routinely for the successful operation of its activities. Taking the right decision timely is important for every business and any wrong decision would lead to negative consequences. Business is required to decide various courses of action related to its production, marketing, sales, and various expansion programs. In today's high competition market, business can only exist if takes appropriate decision. Decision making process helps businesses in facing this competition by taking the right decision. Third importance of decision making is utilization of resources. Efficient utilization of all resources of an organization is a must for achieving of its goals and objectives. Every organization has the following main resources: main, money, material, machine, method, market, and information. All these resources should be properly utilized without any wastage. Managers, through efficient decision making, are able to take corrective actions regarding using these resources. It helps in ensuring that all resources are fully utilized, thereby improving the productivity. Fourth is formulation of plans and policies. Decision making process has direct relation with the establishment of plans and policies. Even every organization operates to achieve certain goals. For the achievement of these goals, forming proper plans and policies is the must. Plan and policies are the initial part of decision making, enables the managers in proper implementation of these policies to achieve the desired goals. Fifth is achievement of objectives. Proper decision making helps in achievement of goals and objectives of the organization. All organizations strive hard to attain their objectives. These objectives are termed as guiding factors for all operations of the business. Taking of proper actions at a proper time helps in the achievement of these objectives. Decision making process helps the manager in proper analyzing the situation and selecting the most appropriate action. Facilitate innovation. Innovation is something which is required to be adopted by every business as per market changes. Proper decision making facilitates innovation. Innovation brings new products, new process and new ideas in every organization. Implementing these changes required proper planning and decision making. Rational decisions taken by management helps in adopting these innovative ideas easily. 7 importance of decision making is helps in business growth. Quick and rational decision taking helps in improving the productivity and efficiency of business. It helps in a fuller and efficient utilization of resources. Better decision making helps the business in easily facing the challenges and problems of the market. All these eventually lead to the achievement of business goals and also helps in business growth. 7 steps of decision making process. Though there are many slight variations of the decision making framework floating around on the internet, in business textbooks and in leadership presentation, professionals most commonly use these 7 steps. First is identifying the problem. Second is collect information. Third is identify the alternatives. Fourth is weigh the evidence. Fifth is choose from the alternatives. Sixth is implement action. And 7 is evaluate the result. Now we are going to know about 7 steps of decision making process in detail. First step is identifying the decision. To make a decision, you must first identify the problem you need to solve or the questions you need to answer. Clearly define your decision. If you misidentify the problem to solve, or if the problem you have chosen is too broad, you will knock the decision train off the track before it even leaves the station. If you need to achieve a specific goal from your decision, make it measurable and timely. Second step is gather relevant information. Once you have identified your decision, it is time to gather the information relevant to that choice. Do an internal assessment seeing where your organization has succeeded and failed in areas related to your decision. Also seek information from external resources including studies, market research, and in some cases evaluation from paid consultants. Keep in mind you can become bogged down by too much information and that might only complicate the process. Third, identify the alternatives. With relevant information now at your fingertips, identify possible solution to your problem. There is usually more than one option to consider when trying to meet a goal. For example, if your company is trying to gain more engagement on social media, your alternatives could include paid social advertisements, a change in your organic social media strategy, or a combination of the two. Fourth step is weigh the evidence. Once you have identified multiple alternatives, weigh the evidence for or against said alternatives. See what companies have done in the past to succeed in these areas and take a good look at your organization's own wins and losses. Identify potential pitfalls for each of your alternatives and weight those against the possible rewards. Fifth step is choose among alternatives. Here is a part of the decision making process where you actually make the decision. Hopefully, you have identified and clarified what decisions needs to be made, gathered all relevant information and developed and considered the potential paths to take. You should be prepared to choose. 6. Take action. Once you have made your decision, act on it. Develop a plan to make your decision tangible and achievable. Develop a project plan related to your decision and then assign tasks to your team. Seventh step is review your decision. After a predetermined amount of time, which you define in a step 1 of the decision making process, take an honest look back at your decision. Did you solve the problem? Did you answer the question? Did you meet your goals? If so, take note of what worked for future references. If not, learn from your mistakes as you being the decision making process again. Thank you.